Folks, and Big Smo is on the property. There he is pulling in. And his camper, his little trailer behind him with their sound equipment and stuff in there. Who's that in the door? I can't tell. Is that Dan in the door? Folks, Ray O-Rig the DJ is the first one that we spotted on stage. He's getting some of his stuff set up. How y'all doing?
Good. How you doing?
I'm looking at Big Smo out there on the dock.
Yeah.
Look like that's him out there on the...
Probably is.
Yeah, that's him.
He hiding out there.
He's got a black shirt on with white letters or something on the front of it.
Yeah, and he quit.
I bet they're still there.
There's my boy Big Smo. What's up, kinfolk?
Oh, come on.
They're doing sound check.
Why are you taking pictures of yourself, not him?
She taking...
What's the...
Aiden's wearing a Arkansas Razorback shirt again.
Let me get a drink of your all yellow there, baby.
So hey, well, hop on in.
Awesome.
Hey.
Awesome reverb. You gotta love it.
Hey, check, 1 2 1 2. 1 2, hey, check 1 2 1 2. Hey, check 1 2. Check 1.
It's another one of them guys that can only count to 2.
1 2 1 2. Check.
We know the number 3, but we can't connect it with 2.
Check.
Yeah.
1 2. Hey, check. Check 1 2 1 2. Check. Hey, 3 4. No. Check 1 2. Sorry.
James.
Yeah, but he made it to 3 and 4, but he apologized for it. Did you notice that? You're only allowed to do 1 and 2. You're not supposed to do 3 and 4 yet.
Check. Echo. That was cool. Check 1 2. Hey.
Go ahead.
Check. It's some echoes. Check.
They definitely do have an echo, don't they?
Check 2. 1 2 1 2. Check 2. 2 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 2. 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2. Check 2 to front house. 1 2. Check 1 2 1 2.
Did you ever wonder why they use numbers instead of letters? Maybe everybody should go check ABC, DC, 3D, ABC, 3D.
Check 1 2 1 2.